As a beginner who just start the laundry business, buying things in bulk is more better than buying things singular. Yes, let me explain. Once again, welcome to Palms Laundry Academy. If you are new to this channel, kindly follow us, like this video, and then send it to those who wish to start up the laundry business. And if you are having challenge with your laundry business stuff and you want somebody to guide you, or you wish to register for the laundry business to know more about it, mentorship, write me on my DM at Palms Laundry Academy. Will get back to you. So let's proceed. Are you a beginner who just start the laundry business and you're wishing to buy things small? Yes, it is encouraging you start small and go big. My policy, I teach students that you start small and go big. But if you can possibly start in a standard laundry business and then you become bigger, it's better. But for beginner who don't have the IQ, who don't have the intelligence, who don't have the content to know the do's and don'ts in a laundry business, I advise to start small and then you go big. And if you are starting small, it doesn't mean that you become the less. All finger and all equal. Don't be the less, don't be the small little one for it all. So on this video, I will explain to you that it's more better to buy in bulk than buying singular, because we spend more buying in singular than buying in bulk. Let's say as a beginner you want to buy your soap and detergent. Don't buy a singular roll of detergent. Instead, buy the bulk. Gather the money to buy the full bulk. The tube soap, buy the full bulk. Your hypo bleach, buy the full bulk. All those things you need, buy the full bulk. If you want to buy pearl and anger as a beginner, buy the big roll. Buy more than 2 to 3 to 5. You get, because it will help you in the long run. Sometimes when you are working, you exhaust your items, you want to buy more or to attach to it, and you now begin to buy singular. Let's say they say a singular Viva soap for 500 naira, and then in bulk when you buy full carton you will see it for 350. You will see you will be spending more. That's how it is. You will think it's not a big deal. You will think I beg, it's not only 300 naira, not only 200 naira. But on a long run, you will see you will start spending more on things you should have lesser in bulk. That's why big companies, even myself, I don't really tolerate it. When I start buying things singular, when there's no bulk, take a record. Make sure you have your list. Make sure you have a budget. These things you need to wash, your chemicals, your detergent, your soap, and every other things you need, buy them in bulk. In bulk, it will help you in the long run. In bulk, you will have so many things to use it for, like the Viva soap, that big 1.7 kg is needed than buying one of the singular roll to wash. Sometimes when you want to wash in the night or in the evening time when there's light and you could not find, you see you begin to worry yourself. So I advise as a beginner, when you want to start a laundry business, learn to buy everything in bulk. Everything you want to buy it in bulk. If you have the money, yes, buy it in bulk. Don't lean on the aspect of buying lithium. Yes, just buy one seed, every day one seed. No, it will affect you. I believe this is able to you. Kindly hit the notification bell, subscribe our channel, go to our YouTube channel, Palms Laundry Academy, for other videos that will help you to grow in a laundry business. See you next week and bye for now.